おむすびくんのためにご飯を作りました。I cooked for おむすびくん。卵焼き、肉じゃが、焼き鳥、おしんこ、ご飯、お味噌汁、お茶。頑張りました。どうぞ召し上がれ。わあ、おいしそう。ありがとう。どれから食べようかな。Where to start? 卵焼き、肉じゃが、No, no, no. Bad manner with chopsticks was tenth. 迷い橋 Holding chopsticks and moving them on various dishes because you cannot decide which one to eat. お豆腐はどこかな。ぐるぐるぐる。No! Bad manner with chopsticks was ninth. 探り橋 To make sure there are no ingredients left at the bottom of the soup bowl, stir the chopsticks around inside the bowl to find out what's inside. 卵焼きを食べよう。違う。やっぱり肉じゃがにしよう。No! ダメダメ。Bad manner with chopsticks was eighth. 移り橋 To reach out with your chopstick to pick up a food, and then suddenly move your chopstick to another food. 卵焼きを食べよう。よいしょ。よいしょ。よいしょ。No! The bad manner with chopsticks was seventh. 寄せ橋 To pull the tableware closer to your hand with chopsticks. おいしいな。No! The bad manner with chopsticks was six. なぶり橋 To remove food from chopsticks by licking it with your mouth. 卵焼きを食べよう。No! Bad manner with chopsticks was fifth. 握り箸 Eating by grabbing chopsticks in one hand. This action during a meal means an attacking. And one more. 突き箸 Eating digging chopsticks into food. Kids do that often until they'll be comfortable with using chopsticks, but it's not a good manner, so sometimes parents let them use a fork. すみません。No! The bad manner with chopsticks was fourth. 叩き橋 To call out someone by hitting the tableware or table with chopsticks to make a sound. とっても美味しいよ。いくらむすびちゃん、お料理上手だね。コックさんになったらいいんじゃないの？ This is very good. You cook very well. Why don't you become a chef? No. The bad manner with chopsticks was third. Sashibashi, pointing at people or things with chopsticks while eating. Musubi-kun, これ取ってあげる。I'll get it for you. ああ、僕自分で取るよ。I take it by myself. No! Bad manner was second. Hashiwatashi, passing food from one chopstick to another. It is abhorred because it reminds Japanese of the act of picking up human remains at the funeral. No, 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 no. これは一番良くないです。Worst thing is ほとけ橋 To stick chopsticks into rice and make it stand up. It is abhorred because it's only allowed as a pillow meal offered at the bedside of the deceased during Buddhist funerals. おまけ Additional small tips before the end. Different kinds of chopsticks. 割り箸 Those are made by wood. It's the most common chopstick you'll see in Japanese restaurants, as I believe most of you have seen that before. But did you know that? It's a good manner to separate it like this. It's said that way you won't hurt anyone next to you accidentally because the top of the chopstick is supposed to be inside of your arms. These are called meotobashi. The kanji meoto has other way to read like fufu, which means marriage couple. It's bought or sent for an anniversary or presents to a marriage couple. Saibashi. These are cooking chopsticks. You can hold them far from gas or pan, so it's convenient and safe. Last one I introduce you is iwaibashi. These are used for New Year or some celebration meal. It's already separated, so you don't need to spread it into half like waribashi. One side is for you, and the other side is for God, it says. And we share the celebration meal. There are still other bad manners with chopsticks, and it's not easy even for native Japanese to follow all rules. But the most important things are to appreciate the food, time a person who spent to cook for you, lives of the food, and enjoy the meals. いただきます and ごちそうさまでした. Those two sentences can show all of those important things. There are still other strict table manners, but don't be nervous and please enjoy Japanese food. I'll introduce that to you a little by little. 日本料理を楽しんでください. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございました. またね